India from last 1.5 years. I'm here to explain about what's made. If it was kind of boring for you in attending a deeper session, it will be 4 times boring than that, because I'm going to show you 4 examples of how you can implement the made. So please withhold your temper. And so with made, before starting with made, my friend Deepan have explained you what is dependency injection and what is IOC and everything. So I did not repeat those things. So I cut shorted those slides from this thing, and there are many frameworks available in ASV nowadays. Every new framework is appearing day by day. So it's being in a flex programmer or developing for ASV, we are supposed to be aware about every framework, as we have to choose one among them when we are supposed to. So we should have some knowledge on every framework to have our better choice to fit our requirements. So first, in made, we have same kind of IOC, same kind of dependency injection, but the treatment is different in made. Also, we have the same modularized applications possible here, and in made we have this event handling and dependency injection. Here it's fully supported by MXML to create your IOC container. It's giving you the event handling and dependency injection both, and the plus point of using any framework with IOC and dependency injection is about having the advantage of what Spring have achieved in Java, because it's about not repeating your logic again and again in your code. You can have a don't repeat yourself. It's concept called drive. Don't repeat yourself in your coding by creating the same logic which was there for some other purpose in your code, to do the same thing again in multiple places. We use somebody asked the question like why the injection is first of all have to be used, because it's giving you the possibility of recreating the same logic in different instances. That's the main thing. And as ASV is very novice, it's only 2 years, 3 years old comparing to the Java, which is 15 years old. So we have no that much level of frameworks available. More number of frameworks, we have more number of confusions of what to use. So here I am having these 4 things, 4 sample projects. One is in all those 4 projects I am going to have the same output. I am not going to give you the different output. It will be the same. This is a simple contact manager. 1 second, I have started my service. Simple contact manager. Here we have the list of contacts, their phone numbers, their photos, and it's just a contact manager. We are going to see how to achieve this in 4 different steps, 4 different projects, which is going to give you the same output, but about improving step by step by getting best practices of how to use made for the better purpose. In first one, we are going to see the simple way of achieving the contact manager. In second thing, the logic will be moved to the contact manager. It's like we have a manager class which will work for the managing the list of contacts available. In first one, we have loaded the whole number of contacts from the DB and we are showing it in the list as I showed you. But whenever you are deleting or adding any new contact, after that the list will be reloaded from the DB. It means another request is going to be sent unwantedly because you have already loaded your list of contacts. But you are loading it again just to make sure to be having the same number of entries from the DB. But in second, we are having the contact manager in which we are going to have the manager class which will manage itself. Whenever you delete or add any contact, it should not ask for the DB about what's the current out. It should not, because we know we have already loaded the list of contacts previously. So it should manage itself by avoiding number of queries being sent. And in third one, we are going to have introduced the presentation model for the view. Views are supposed to be just views. That's my suggestion or best practices to be used in Flex. Just views as the word I mean, the views should not dispatch any events. Views should not be binded with any service. Views should be doing what it is supposed to show. It should be just a view. And to achieve that, we are introducing the presentation model. Also, we have introduced the modularized application here. And in fourth one, we are having the same thing, but we modularize using the IOC container. Instead of modularizing by just loading the SWF, we are going to do it by